Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and in this area right here, swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles, hopefully revealing your screen recording toggle. For me, it is visible right here, but if you don't see it, you can click on this pencil right here, click on Edit, and then find the toggle that you want to add by just holding it and then dragging it here, dropping, and click Done. Twice. Come on, there we go. And you can see that's the toggle that I just added. Anyway, so once you see your screen recorder, you can either tap on it, which will bring down or start recording, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize just a little bit of things about it. So here's on the screen recorder section, which you can see right here, we have record sound. You can choose media, mic, or media and mic, or none. Then we have video quality, which is set to the highest one that this device can. That's good. I don't recommend changing it to 720p. Next, we have show taps and touches. This is something that you might want or might not. It really depends on the person. What it will do is record a semi-transparent gray dot that is going to be visible on the recording wherever your finger was touching the display. In games, it might be kind of distracting, but for maybe something like I'm recording, this could be very handy. And last is just option 4, where you want this to be saved to. So let's close this up. I'm going to tap on it. Now let's bring up this window, letting us choose what kind of sound will be recorded here again, and also the touches. And once you click on the record, it begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. And I want to see if, oh yes we do. Oh, how high there. How I like to completely shit all over these applications. So we have Spotify. Now you did see there was content visible in Spotify. Let's also see if we have Netflix maybe. That would be fantastic. Let's see anything. Nope, we don't have it. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here on the square. This will save the recording, as you can see, and you can find it by going into your gallery application. There we go. And in here, on the side panel, you typically would be located in the Photos tab, but later on it might be much easier for you to find your recordings by going into Albums, and in Albums you will find Screen Recorder. And here, that's all you will find. And here's the one that I have recorded. Now what you will see right now is when I open the Spotify is the application that basically didn't allow me to record it because it has more control over this device than I do. Which in this case I recommend checking out other alternatives that will be also free and allow you to do what you want to do on your device. So there are basically alternatives to every one of these applications. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.